In this video, I'm going to share career advice for 40-year-olds and explain how to make a career change. I'm doing this video because LifeLongRunner asked me to. They sent me a message which said they could see that passion, personality and purpose works well for younger job seekers and were wondering if these 3 P's function the same for someone who is older, say 40 plus, and wants to make another fresh start or complete career change. The answer is yes, the 3 P's applies to all ages. Now your 40s are midlife. It's a tough phase of life where you're juggling work and family commitments. You're questioning your identity. Who are you and why are you here? You're wondering, is this all there is, or is there more to life? You see, life is like a smile, where it goes like this. When you're younger, you're happy, you're free, you have no responsibilities, you're learning and growing and life's exciting, which is great. However, when you get to midlife in your 40s, you're not as happy because that's when you have less freedom, more responsibilities, you're very busy at work, and you probably even have more expenses. Then in your 60s, you start feeling happier. You have more freedom and less responsibilities and are probably semi or fully retired, and you probably have more money too. If you're in midlife, you're probably in that sad phase and probably feeling stuck and unfulfilled in your current job, with no career growth, no meaning and no purpose, feeling like a corporate zombie, just going through the motions, which leads to depression because you're doing the same thing over and over. And you're not expressing yourself, you're not using your creativity. You're probably feeling exhausted because you're working all the time and you don't have work-life balance. You may be getting paid poorly or working in a toxic work environment or toxic industry. You've had enough and you want to change careers. You may be tired of working for someone and may want to start your own business, but you don't know what. So if you are in your 40s and you're going through midlife and you want to change careers, there are 3 things you need to overcome. Number 1, you need to overcome career confusion. Number 2, you need to overcome self-doubt. And number 3, you need to overcome transition confusion. That's the only way to make a successful career change. Career confusion is solved by the 3 P's I mentioned earlier. That's your passion, your personality, and your purpose. So your passion is about what interests you. Ask yourself, if money wasn't an issue, what would you be doing? Or if you just won the lottery and you didn't have to work for money, what would you be doing? What things would you be doing? See, that's where your passion comes in. Number 2, your personality. Your personality is about what you're good at. It's about what type of person you are, what natural talents do you have. And we're all different. We all have slightly different personalities. And number 3 is about purpose. Purpose is really about what the market wants. Like, what are people prepared to pay you for? In other words, what problems do they want you to help them solve? So that's where purpose comes in. It's a combination of those 3 that give you career clarity. And you need career clarity because without career clarity, you don't know what you're doing, you don't know what you have to offer, and you don't know where you're headed. Now, self-doubt is about overcoming your fears and limiting beliefs. You may have a limiting belief like, I can't afford to change careers. You need money to change careers, which is not true. And also, it's about developing yourself in your chosen field. You see, competence builds confidence. It's also about finding role models, people that are 10 steps ahead of you, and studying them and knowing that if they can do it, you can do it too. So you really need to resolve that self-doubt and you need to build confidence that you can change careers and be successful. So that's really the second phase. And the third phase, solving the problem of transition confusion, Well, that's solved by creating an offer, by branding and networking. Having something to offer your ideal customer or client and building relationships are the two major keys to successful transitioning or changing careers. If you're not happy, the important thing is to start transitioning as soon as possible. So I would highly recommend first get your career clarity and then start working on your confidence and your transition strategy. So I would highly recommend to start your new career now as a side hustle, for example, and then build it up so it can become your main hustle. You can just start by taking baby steps. So you need to stop overthinking and start doing. That's the secret. Now, to overcome these three challenges, which is career confusion, self-doubt, and transition confusion, you could figure it out on your own, but that's going to take time, or you can take the fast pass and hire a career coach. A good career coach will have a proven step-by-step process to get you from where you currently are to where you ultimately want to be in the fastest time without the frustrations of having to figure it out by yourself. Please let me know in the comments below your thoughts and if this helped or if you have any questions. And if you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to thank you for your support and encouragement. I really appreciate you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel and you're interested in career-related content direct from someone that has over 45 years of working experience, from employee to employer to business owner, who's a certified workplace coach and has spent the last 10 years coaching people on how to take charge of their life and career and improve it, then please consider hitting the subscribe button. You also want to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you liked or got some value from this video, please do give it a thumbs up because that helps the video reach and help other people. If you know someone that needs to see this video, then please do share it. Till next time, take care.